This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG Jay, and you know who you are. Well, you know who Krista is now too, don't you? Yeah, we got to meet Krista the other day. Awesome girl. She is just a wonderful... And I say girl because she's 20 years old. She's a girl to me. Anybody under the age of 30 is still a kid, you know what I'm saying? But she's wonderful, and I think she's going to add a lot of energy here, and she's just a nice person. And I've already given her one assignment, and that is to redo the toolbox that I gave her. We found a toolbox. Actually, Jake found a toolbox in the garbage. We went dumpster diving one last time, and he found a toolbox that is now Krista's, and she's going to make it her own. She's going to finish it and make it look like she wants it to look. She hasn't done that yet, but in the meantime, we also have a project together. I want to see what she can do. She says she likes to finish projects. She likes to put stain and poly and paint and all that on it. Well, great. So what I've come up with is we're going to do a project together. I'm going to make a cigar box. I want to have a cigar box in the shop, so I'm going to make a cigar box. I'm going to make it out of pallet wood and scraps that I find laying around the shop. That's it. Then she's going to take that very same cigar box and add her special touches to it. She's going to finish it. She's talked about maybe flaming it, with the torch like I do with the signs and other stuff, and the flags and all that. But I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what she does with it. Now, I've already done my part. I did it today. And, I might as well show that to you right now.